Welcome to this session on placing slabs using the by structural members method. Select the slab tool from the Structural Elements group. The property panel opens showing the catalog properties for Place Slab, and the ribbon now displays the Placement tab with options for the placement of the slabs. In the property panel, set the catalog item to Example Slab Composite. This catalog item is delivered with the workset. Its default thickness is 4 inches for the US dataset and 100 millimeters for the neutral metric dataset. Check that the following properties are set. The slab type should be raised floor. The slab direction should be two-way, and the reinforcement angle should be 0. The structural function is structural. The type ID is concrete slab, and the item ID is S2. The phase should be set to new construction. In the ribbon, set the placement options. The place by method should be structural members. This time, we will place from the bottom since the slab will sit on top of the steel beams, and the base offset will be 0. Again, we'll set the overhang to 1 foot or 300 millimeters, with the side angle set to vertical. Following the prompts and working in the isometric view, select the first supporting member, the steel beam at the floor 2 level along grid A between grids 3 and 4. Now it is best to select the supporting members in a clockwise direction. So we'll move to the other side of the building and select the second supporting member, the beam at floor 2, along grid F between grids 3 and 4. Then select the next supporting member, the beam at floor 2 level along grid F between grids 1 and 2. And finally select the last supporting member, the beam at the floor 2 level along grid A between grids 1 and 2, and reset to place the slab. Note that with this method, the supporting member determines the height of the slab, not the floor selector. Repeat the process to place the slab at the roof level. In the next session, we'll finish the slabs by placing the slabs between the concrete beams at the first floor.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.